So behind me, we have a beautiful single-story home in one of my favorite parts of town, the southwest side of Las Vegas. So if you're looking for a single story with a large backyard, don't go anywhere. Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to buy, sell, or move here in Las Vegas, do me a huge favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. So today is October 1st, 2025, and today we are here at Orchard Park by Richmond American Homes in one of my favorite parts of town, which is the southwest side of Las Vegas. Just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're here right off of Buffalo and Blue Diamond. Okay, so we're about 20 minutes away from the Las Vegas Airport and Strip. This is actually one of my favorite areas. Right over there, you're gonna have Exploration Peak, which is a really nice park, and you could climb up this hill. It only takes about like 5 minutes to get there. My wife and I used to climb that all the time. But yeah, guys, I'll have the floor plans on the screen for you. So they offer 3 different floor plans here, okay? So all these floor plans, they're all single story homes. They're all gonna range from about 2,300 to about 2,800 square feet. Okay, here with Richmond American, they are building all spec homes. Well, actually, mostly are spec homes. They have 2 homes that you could build from dirt up, but these homes are gonna range anywhere between high 800s to about low 900s, okay? And again, what spec homes are, it's the builder chooses all the options. So that means that these homes, by the time you get into contract, you're looking at about a couple of months away from being completed, okay? The HOA, this community is so new that they don't know exactly what the HOA is. So, feel free to text me or call me in case you're curious. I'm sure I'll know later. The average lot square feet, you're looking at about 8,200. Okay, so that's a fairly large lot. Now, again, all these homes are single story homes, and your backyard depth is gonna run about 38 to 42 feet deep. So plenty of room, more room for a pool and other things that you wanna do. This community also has 52 homes. They did sell 6 homes already, and the grand opening was just this past week. And they have some amazing incentives here. But yeah, let's get started with this tour. All right, welcome everyone to the Darius floor plan. Now, this is gonna be the largest out of the 3 floor plans that they offer. This is gonna be 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3.5 bath. You're looking at 20, 80, 30 square feet. This floor plan does have like a next gen suite option, which is pretty cool. And it also has a 3-car garage, okay? So out the door, they're selling these things for about, looks like they're ranging from about 900 to low 900s, okay? But yeah, let's take a look. All right, so right here, entry door, you're gonna have an 8-foot door. Now, all the homes are gonna come equipped with this video doorbell as well as this, this keypad lock right here. So welcome in. As soon as you walk in, you'll notice the single story home, or all the single story homes here are gonna have 10-foot ceilings, okay? Now, to the right, you're gonna have 2 bedrooms that's gonna share a Jack and Jill bath. All right, so this is bedroom number 1. So for the spec homes that you see, most likely they're gonna add the pre-wire for the ceiling fan. I doubt they're gonna add these 2 can lights, but you'll have at least a pre-wire for the ceiling fan. Okay, so you have your standard closet right there. The rooms are also gonna have jumper ducts. So that's just how air travels in and out of the rooms to regulate the temperature. You'll also have a smoke detector in every room, smoke detector / CO2 detector in the hallways. Now this is going to be your Jack and Jill bath. So you will get the dual sinks, okay, the cabinets here. Now for the spec homes, they have like 3 different packages that they usually rotate between. So the package that they chose here is actually, it's called Pebble Creek. Okay, so that's just the, when I say packages, that's kind of like the flooring, the countertop, the cabinet, okay, the fixtures. But they have two more that they use. Now right over here, you're gonna have your separate door. You'll have your shower tub. Okay, so you got your toilet. We also have your linen closet. And then your second bedroom. Now this bedroom does have a walk-in closet, so you can see. Now, if you guys are watching this video and you're really interested in new construction homes and you're thinking about going to visiting a new construction community for your very first time, do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit and help you out with the process. But if you have a realtor, that's okay too. Make sure you take your realtor with you. You just want to make sure you have representation, because if you go there by yourself, the builder agent will get your information. Once they have your information, they're going to log you in their system as having no representation. The reason why that's not good is because the builder agents look after the builder's best interest, and we look after your best interest. So, definitely get yourself some representation. So as you can see, that was a nice den. Now this floor plan has like this next gen suite option, which is pretty cool. Okay, so right over here, you're gonna have your door to your garage. Okay, you'll have like a cabinet space right here. You're gonna have your coat closet. Cool, and also as you can see with Richmond, you have this really nice texture on the wall, and you're always gonna have this flat corner edging right here. Okay, the baseboards are looks like they're about 5-inch baseboards, 4 to 5-inch baseboards. Now this is gonna be your laundry room. Okay, most of these homes are gonna have the sink. Nice cabinets, washer and dryer. Okay, linen closet here, as well as your smart panel box. So this is where you connect your internet router and your modem. This is gonna be your powder room. So this is the bathroom for the guests. Now this is gonna be like your next gen suite area. Now, if you're not familiar with a next gen suite, this is great if you live with like in-laws, distant family, or if you just want to rent out a unit in your house. This is giving them their own separate space. So for example, when you go in here, the person living here is going to have their own living room. Okay, so you have like this small refrigerator. You do have a sink over here. You also have your own entry door that leads to outside the house, because there's a gate on the side. Of course, you're going to have a bedroom. Pretty good size. Okay, so right over here, you have your full bath. Okay, single sink, walk-in shower. There's a beautiful tile surround. Okay, also tile flooring. And then over here, you're going to have your own walk-in closet. Good amount of cabinets here. All right, so we'll head towards the main living area. Okay, so welcome guys. Welcome to the kitchen, dining room, and living room. All these floor plans, these specs are gonna have the covered patio with the double slider. So you have this one great large slider right here, and then you can see on the other side of the wall, you have another slider. Okay, so very open. And then you're gonna have the pre-wire for these speakers right here, 7.1 speakers. It's a beautiful kitchen. Again, this is the Pebble Creek package you're looking at. So you got refrigerator. Okay, tile backsplash. So you got the cafe appliance package. So cafe microwave. You have the oven. It's gonna be your pantry right here. You also have your built-in cooktop. Nice hood. Stainless steel undermount sink. Okay, cafe dishwasher. And so this is going to be the dining room. I love that there's plenty of sliders and windows to get that natural light. Okay, so this backyard is going to be about 42 feet deep. Again, all these backyards are going to be about 36 to about 42 feet deep backyards. Now, when you move into your home, this is going to be just a dirt lot, and then you have about a year to landscape your own backyard. So over here we have the condensers, Goodman. Those are going to be your AC units. Okay, you also have a gas line right here. So yeah, you'll have a gate over there. It's a clean backyard. It's a nice design. Okay, so we'll check out the primary bedroom. But yeah, look, plenty of cabinets right here. That was an option as well. Okay, so this is your primary bedroom. King size bed. So you will have more can lights in the primary bedroom. Looks like we have 6 in here. I'm not too sure if they're gonna have 6 in all the primary bedrooms, but they'll definitely have the pre-wire for the ceiling fan and a couple of the can lights, maybe 4 of them. Okay, so welcome to the primary bath. Beautiful bath, your walk-in shower. Check that out. Okay, have this nice tile right here. Black fixtures. Okay, dual sinks. You also have your toilet room. And then your walk-in closet. But all right, guys, yeah, let me know what you think of the Darius floor plan. Again, if you have any questions or if you just need help, looking for a guide, someone who can help you out with the new construction process, someone who can help you get the best deals, don't hesitate to give me a call. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.